Hello students, how are you all? I hope all are doing all right. So today first of all we are going to see our remaining letter. Those are X, Y, Z. Okay. For that I want you to open your capital cursive workbook. Page number 6666. Come on, open it fast. Okay. Now put today's date. What is today's date? Today is 5th of November. 5th of November. Come on, write it. 5th of November. Done everyone? Okay. Now come on. Let's see how to write capital cursive X. Okay. We are going to start from this blue line. Okay. Start from this blue line. Draw a slanting line and like this. Okay. From blue line, two opposite C we have to draw. See, this one, this is our proper C and this is opposite C. Okay. Shall we start? X, 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 X ray. Okay. Start tracing with me. Okay. Start from the blue line. X, 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 X ray. X, 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 X ray. Okay. X, 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 X ray. Now let's see how to write in a blank line. Okay. See, we have to start from this blue line. Okay. From blue line we are going to start a slanting line and C like this. Okay. See, look at properly. Start from this blue line and like this. Got the letter X? Okay. Now next letter Y. Next letter Y. Now look at properly. This Y they have written in a 4 line. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's trace. Okay. See, we have to start from this blue line, slanting line, and the way we are writing capital Y, the same way. Okay. Let's trace with me. Y says here, here, yarn. Okay. Let's start from here. Let's start tracing with me. Y says here, yarn. Y says here, yarn. See, they have used proper 4 lines, right? Y says here, yarn. Okay, now let's write in a blank line. Okay, start from this blue line. Okay, and draw this Y. Okay, again, start from here, blue line, go up, come down, Y. Y says here, yarn. Okay, done everyone. And today's last letter is letter Z. This capital cursive Z also they have used to write 4 lines. Have you seen? In the 4 lines they have written capital Z. Okay, Z says Z, zebra. So let's see. You have to start from here. 1 curve, second curve, knot. Okay, let's trace together. 1 curve, second curve, knot. Okay, see, look at properly. 1 curve, second curve, knot. 1 curve, second curve, knot. Okay, now let's write in a blank line. See, start from here. 1 curve, second curve, knot. Okay, 1 curve, second curve, knot. 1 curve, second curve, knot. Got it everyone? Okay, so today's your homework will be, you have to complete till the letter Z and the last page, page number 7 to 72. Okay students, now I want you to open your phonic reader textbook. Okay, open your phonic reader textbook, page number 2323, lesson number 5. I hope everyone open your phonics reader textbook, page number 2323. Okay, and the today's date 5th of November. Lesson number 5, a hot Sunday. Okay students, here in the last session only we have learned the days of the week. Okay, now tell me first of all how many days are there? Yes, there are 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, right? So here there are two boys. Okay, now they are spending their Sunday on the bay. What do you mean by bay? Bay is a one kind of place of small sea, or else we can say the Upasagar, we can say the Khadi. In Hindi we are calling, no, that is called bay. That is called bay. B-A-Y, bay. Okay, first of all we will see the introduction of AY words. The sound of AY is A. AY, how we called it AY? It is A. Okay. Let's see this AY words. Okay. D-A-Y, day. AY is A and D is D. So, day. W-A-Y, way. A-Y-A, W says were. So, were plus A, way. S-A-Y, say. A-Y is equal to, A-Y is A. S is sir. So, say. M-A-Y, may. L-A-Y, lay. B-A-Y, bay. H-A-Y, hay. P-A-Y, pay. R-A-Y, ray. A-W-A-Y, away. Okay, now let's see the lesson. Okay, put your pencils on the first sentence. Today is Sunday. As we all know that Sunday is a holiday. Okay, so today is a Sunday. I say it is a hot day. Have you seen the sun? That means it is a very hot day. Okay. The sun rays are at the bay. As I told you before, that bay means a small kind of sea, a small sea. Okay. So what they are saying, the sun rays are at the bay. सूरज की किरणें directly किसके ऊपर गिर रही है? At the bay. Okay. Let us go to the bay to get the yellow hay. Let's go to the bay to get the yellow hay. Why they go to the bay? To get the yellow hay. Hay means it is a one kind of grass. Our cows, buffaloes, goats, they are eating the grass, no? So to that grass we are calling hay. To that grass we are calling hay. Okay. On the way, we can pay. Pay means, what do you mean by pay? Pay means kharidna. Okay, we can pay. For what? For the hay. We can buy the hay. Okay, on the way we can buy the hay. Okay, we may then lay the hay in the hot sun at the bay. Okay, so after that, after buying the hay, we can lay the hay in the hot sun. We can lay the hay in the hot sun at the bay. Got the lesson, everyone? So come on, first of all open your notebook and put today's date. Come on, start, open your notebook. Put today's date. What is today's date? 5th of November, lesson number 5, a hot Sunday. A hot Sunday. Lesson number 5, a hot Sunday. New words you are going to write 3 times in your notebook. Okay, I am not going to write. Okay, the heading is answer the followings. Answer the followings. Come on, write it fast. And here in this lesson 3 questions are there, but we are going to take only first 2 questions. Okay. Okay, so first question is what, W-H-A-T, what, D-A-Y, day, I-S is, T-O-D-A-Y, today. Today means aaj. Today means aaj. See here, remember students, as we are following this lesson. Okay, as we are following this lesson, so we are going to write whatever day they have given in this lesson. So according to the lesson, we are going to write the answer. Okay. So what day is today? So in the lesson, which day they have mentioned? See, today is Sunday. Which day they have mentioned? Today is Sunday. The same answer we are going to write for this question. Today is Sunday. Come on, write T-O-D-A-Y, today. I-S is S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Today is Sunday. Okay, we are following the lesson, right? So that's why I have written here Sunday. Today is Sunday. Okay. Now next question. W-H-Y-Y, D-O-Do, W-E-V, G-O-Go, T-O-2, T-H-E the B-A-Y, bay. What is this question? Why do we go to the bay? Question mark. Why we go to the bay? Come on, tell me why we go to the bay? Yes, we go to the bay. Come on, write. See, we have started the answer from here. W. So, W you are going to write in capital. We go to the bay, right? Okay, this whole sentence we are going to write. We go to the bay to T-O-2 G-E-T get T-H-E the Y-E-L-L-O-W yellow H-A-Y hay. Okay, we go to the bay to get the yellow hay. Got the lesson, everyone? So question you are going to write one time and answer two times. Okay, students, so right now we are going to stop here. Okay, and we have completed our all the lesson and all the question answer. So you have to practice for the same. Okay, now see you in the next session. Okay, till then, bye.